Azlan,
Whoa!
I have a surprise for you.
What is it?
It's your new toy.
Oh!
What is it?
It's a car.
No, it's not just a car. It's a car that you have to build by yourself.
Whoa.
It's a construction set. Show it to me like this. Yes, this is the car that you will build. Okay, put your cars aside. This one too.
Let's
Or give it to me. Oh,
open it.
let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Not like this. There will be a tape.
Let's open it now. Let's open it. Whoa!
Oh my God! What's this?
Whoa!
Show me all the pieces.
And how the instructions?
And has the instructions?
Whoa!
Show me all the pieces. Okay, I will read the pieces and you have to tell me that if.
Oh, it's a box and then. Oh, you got the steam.
Yeah.
I know how to build it.
First tell me, do you have a battery box?
This
This is the battery box.
Oh yeah.
Okay, keep it here. Do you have 4 tires?
Yes.
Where? Yes, keep it aside too.
One.
Yes. Do you have these red things? Yes.
Yeah, you have to put it right here.
Do you have this steering and all those things?
Yeah.
Yes. And you have this and you have this.
Oh, it's a screaming thing for it.
It's a screwdriver too?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't need it.
Yes, you need it because you have to build the car. Where is the car? Where is the car right now? No, you have to build the car using these pieces. Okay?
I thought it was.
Okay, let's follow the instructions.
I know how to build it.
First, read the instructions.
So look, you put these in here.
Yes.
And you put the charger to it.
Yes.
So you have to read it.
Okay, I will help you in making this. First of all, put all the tires back in the packing. All the tires, yes, back in the box. Yes. Put these in the box too, because we don't need this right now. Yes. That's it. That's it. And we will keep it on the side. Put it on the side. Yes. Now open the tools.
Okay, let's open this.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes. Put all of this here.
They got a screw.
They got a screwdriver.
Whoa. It's like a monster machine. I wanna build this one.
Yes. You have this race car.
I wanna build this car. And this, we need to build this red thing. And
What I'm doing is keeping these things on a side,
Let's not build it.
and I'm keeping these things over here.
Okay. Oh, how about this tires?
Now, Azlan, first of all, I need a thing which is in this shape.
Okay.
Find it for me. Yes, we need this thing and this thing to
If
build.
we can put it right here.
Right.
Oh, you
And
got-
can you arrange all of this so that it will be easy for us?
Let's just
Yes.
make the point.
Yes, that's right.
That's look. It's like a point. Look, it's not like a point.
Yes, arrange all of this.
So let's put it. These are the big. Now we have to do these long ones. The long ones. We got screws too. That's cool. Okay, we need.
I have arranged all the screws.
I got a lot of things.
Yes, you are doing good.
Oh, he's going.
Should I help you?
No, I can. Oh, we need a little one over here. Have you seen it? Okay, how do I can
This is the one. This is the one. This is the one.
I found something above for you. It's right. It's this. No, were you looking for this?
Yes. But first arrange all the things, then it will be easy for us to pick things.
Okay, what's this and this? Oh, one more. Okay, let's put these over here. I think I want to make it like this. I'll make it like this. These are little, so we have to put it like this. No, like this, because they are already. So we have to put it on like this. So anybody seen a one on this one?
It will be only one.
Oh yeah, is it one? Now how can we build it?
We can put it here, so it's big, small, and small.
Oh wait a second. Oh yeah.
There's one more,
One more.
and all of these.
Oh look, you can make a staircase. Look.
Oh yeah!
That's awesome. But we cannot make it. We can just make.
Okay, so can you give me that arc-looking thing?
What are you?
This is the arc-looking thing. Can you give me this?
Yeah, I know where it's at. It's right here.
Yes, and can you give me an L?
The L. You mean this?
No.
You mean
Yes.
this?
Yes. And now can you give me one this?
Okay.
Good. And can you give me one this piece? No, look, it's small. Yes. So first we will build this according to the instructions. I will ask you for the things and you have to
I will just make it like this. I will just make it like
and you have to give those things to me.
I'm gonna do.
Look, first of all we will build this thing.
What?
This.
What do we do?
According to the instructions.
Let me see what time it is. First we need.
No, this is the number one.
No, wait. There's something in the back. So, how we need to build this, right?
Yes, so first of all, Azlan, we need to build this.
Yeah, how can we build it? You have to build it. Wait.
Can you give me a screwdriver?
A screwdriver? Here's it is. Hello? Why not pick me up? Come on.
Okay,
Woo!
make it tight.
Okay.
Wait. Nice. So this first part is done. Now we have to attach this part from here
Oh yeah.
using the same thing. Yes.
But look, it's like a seat from Lego.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
it's a Lego seat, like a Lego over here, Lego over
so
here.
Azlan, our first part is done. We have to put it over.
We can put it there because we did this.
Can you show it to everyone that your first part is done? In the camera. Where are you going? Yes. Now you can put it over here.
Or we can put it like this.
Okay, now give me
A screw.
this part.
Oh, it's right here.
Thank you.
We need 3 screws.
And give me this part. 2 of this part.
You mean
The longer ones.
these?
No.
These?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. 2 of them.
2 of them.
No. Yes. Just 2 of them. Then I need one this part.
Oh, where? This?
That one.
This?
Yes. Thank you. And I need,
Oh yeah, I know where.
the string.
Let's together. So we have to put it like the same order.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, look! It's like a car wash. Look.
Oh yes.
It's like a car wash. Look, you can get a car wash like that. Okay, you can put it like this. You can put the steering like over in this over, and you can put the steering over.
Okay. Now let's start building it. No.
It's like, look, you can connect this into this, and then it can be a flying.
Oh, an airplane.
Yeah, we can build that, but we don't have this screw over here.
Yes.
That's why we can make it like over here and over here.
Yes, I think that's super great idea. We can do that.
But it says no things. But above we don't have this.
What?
We don't have this.
Yeah, that's the other car model. We are not building that car. We are building the other car.
How can we? I know how to put this. Can you just open it right now?
I want to open it right now. Why?
Because I want to open it, then I'll put it. Let's put the tires over here. Let's put the tires like here. It's like Master Machine's tires.
Monster Machine tires.
Yeah, he has 4 wheels. It's like his tires.
Oh.
It's like a dun 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 dun. But Abba, I think this is according to this. That's why it's so big.
Yeah, that's a bulldozer.
These tires are big, so we have to put this because these are big tires. I thought they were big tires. So it's like a controller. It's like a shooting gun. Puppy, I'm in danger.
I'm in danger.
It's like a bomb. You know, when I played that game, when you were when the boat was sinking, and then you grabbed the helicopter, and then you were so close to fall, and then the guy hold you. That game, you shoot somebody. That game, then you have to.
Okay, I need your help. I need your help, Azlan. Come on.
Oh, but it's like the same.
Come on.
Only this one first?
The middle one. Only the middle one. Wait to me.
It's super little. You can.
Yes, you did it good.
So what?
And now we have to attach the steering. Give me the steering.
Right here.
Yes, give it to me.
No, a claw can do it. Only this.
No, steering. Thank you.
That's super funny.
You are funny, Azlan.
I'm not funny. You are funny. Oh, but look, it's like the same. Three portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like the same. Above, look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, that's nice.
It's like the same. And Abba, you can play a card game, and then you can do like this. Look, look. It's like a flying thing. Look. It's like a Pac-Man. Look, it's like a bird. Look, it's like a Pac-Man.
Oh yes. Look, our second part is also done.
Okay, now let's.
Show it to everyone.
Dun 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 dun. Above we can.
Now we have to attach the first part and the second part. Where is the first part? Loud.
Now I'm gonna put it like my nose in there and
You are looking like a Pinocchio. You have a long nose.
and I'm like
You lie. You lie.
I'm like a blue nose. It's
Yes.
like the blue nose.
Give me the first part and the second part. Azlan.
Call me Goo.
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 Gru. Gru. Can you give me the first part and the second part?
There you go.
Thank you. So this was the first part. This was the second part.
Let's Appa, can I start these to my wheel? Look, Appa, am I transforming?
Oh yes.
I'm like a robot.
You're like a robot.
I'm like Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime leader. Look, Appa, I have 2 wheels. Look.
Oh.
Optimus Prime, jump on. It is high time. Whoa. Don't open this now.
We have attached part 1 and part 2.
It's like a flying saucer.
Yes.
It's like a sun. Give me it. One time when I was a goo. I was angry and I'm goo. I'm a goo. But look, it's like a shooting thing. You can fly and then you shoot this.
Okay.
feather.
Now we need to build this part 4.
I don't know that.
So I need 2 long and 2 short ones.
We are done with it.
Wait.
What? That's it. Takes out. It takes out. Now let's put this tire over there.
have battery.
We have a big battery. Yeah.
This coil is coming down, so we need to fix it so that it won't.
Oh, it fell down the tire. Wait, but how did you drive? Whoa, Papa, let's
Look,
drive now. Let's drive. Are we done?
wait.
Now let's drive.
Let me check. Try it again. Yes! We did it, Azlan. High five. Azlan, give me high five. No problem, because you know how to build this car. Build it.